Hello and welcome to the video edition of College Dekho. In this video, we will talk about the exam day instructions for SNAP 2021. SIU will be conducting SNAP 2021 in 3 different slots. First will be conducted on December 19, 2021. Second will be held on January 8 and the third will be held on January 16, 2022. To ensure that all of the hard work is rewarded, it is important for candidates to prepare well for the exam day. In this video, we will take you through the SNAP 2021 test day guidelines that will help you give your best attempt and avoid any hiccups on the exam day. Now let us go through some important exam day guidelines issued by Symbiosis International University that need to be followed on the day of the SNAP 2021 exam. The candidate must reach the examination center at the reporting time. Candidates will be required to go through a verification of the SNAP 2021 admit card and ID proof before they are allowed inside the exam center. Electronic gadgets such as mobile phones, calculator, wrist watches, digital watches, etc. will not be allowed inside the exam center. If a candidate brings any of these items, they may have to arrange for the safekeeping of these items themselves. The latest passport size color photo of the candidate must be pasted on the admit card in the space provided. A recent photograph that is no older than 3 months from the date of the examination will be accepted. Along with the admit card, candidates must carry an ID proof like Aadhaar card, full page printout of e-Aadhaar letter or driving license, passport, voter ID or PAN card to the exam center. Candidates must follow the instructions given out by the invigilators at the examination center. No candidate will be allowed to leave the examination hall before the entire exam duration is over. Candidates can attempt the sections in SNAP 2021 in any order. No extra time will be provided to a candidate except TA under any circumstances. Candidates should not use any unfair means during the SNAP test 2021. Any candidate who is found using unfair means will be disqualified for admission and will not receive the SNAP 2021 scorecard. The scores received by a candidate will be final and candidates will not be allowed to apply for revaluation. Let us now discuss the guidelines for differently abled candidates appearing for SNAP 2021. Candidates must contact the Symbiosis Test Secretariat with scanned copies of the medical certificate. The medical certificate can be sent via mail at info@snaptest.org. The medical certificate will be required to verify the percentage of disability of a candidate. Candidates who fail to produce a medical certificate will be required to appear for the exam under open category. A differently abled candidate who requires a scribe must make arrangements for the scribe themselves. The conducting body does not provide a scribe to any candidate. Additionally, the scribe selected by the candidate must have at least completed matriculation and at most he or she must be in the second year of a graduate degree course. SIU has already changed the SNAP exam pattern keeping in mind the COVID-19 pandemic. The number of questions in the exam durations have been reduced to 60 and 1 hour respectively. Let us find out the COVID-19 related instructions during the SNAP 2021 exam. Maintain social distancing while showing the admit card and original ID proof to the security guard. Your body temperature would be checked with a thermogun from a safe distance. Show your status on the Aarogya Setu app at the exam center. You will not be allowed to appear for SNAP 2021 if your body temperature is about 99.14 Fahrenheit or you have medium or high risk status on the Aarogya Setu app. Some of the SNAP exam centers will have a baggage area available for the storage of the personal belongings of candidates. Sanitize your hands before entering the baggage area. Coordinate with the exam authorities as a limited number of candidates will be allowed in the baggage area. Place any prohibited item that you are carrying in the baggage area. Only mask and gloves, simple pen, hand sanitizer bottle of 50 milliliter capacity, Transparent water bottle, SNAP admit card and supporting ID proof are allowed inside the exam venue. Sanitize your hands again and proceed towards the document verification desk. At the exam centers where a baggage area is not available, candidates must store their belongings at their own risk. Marks will be placed on the floor to help maintain social distancing in the queue at the verification desk. Show your admit card to the desk volunteer from a safe distance. Admit card will contain a barcode which will be scanned by the volunteer and your lab number will be informed. Lift usage instructions will be posted inside and outside the lift for the candidates. Lifts should only be used in necessary situations, otherwise you must use stairs and maintain social distancing. In case a lift has to be used, 2 persons are allowed inside small lifts and 4 people are inside large lifts. Use the sanitizer bottle placed inside the lift after touching the buttons. Now let us go through some of the instructions that should be followed before the exam. Wear a mask at all times and maintain a safe distance from other candidates and invigilators. Strictly avoid overcrowding and maintain social distancing at all times. Follow the announcements made by the security guards at the exam center. Keep the required documents ready for verification once you reach the entrance. The instructions that a candidate must follow while the test is being conducted are: candidates will be under CCTV surveillance at all times during the test to discourage any form of malpractice. If required to sign on the attendance sheet, sanitize your hands before and after doing so. Sheets for rough work will be provided to the candidate. Use your own pen only for a rough work. For any system-related issues, inform the invigilator and maintain social distancing during the same. Inform the invigilator in case you have to visit the washroom. You will be accompanied by a volunteer to the washroom entrance and back. If you are asked to move to another system during the test, maintain social distancing with the volunteer. After the exam is over, the candidate must follow some of these instructions. A drop box will be available in which candidates must drop their rough sheets used during the test. A separate box will also be made available for exception forms, if any. Social distancing must be maintained while exiting the examination center. Volunteers will guide the candidates along the exit path. Candidates must follow the instructions. The used mask and gloves must not be disposed of at or outside the exam center. Candidates must dispose of them at their homes. This was all about SNAP 2021 exam day instructions. If you have any questions, write to us in the comment section below. For more such informative videos, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.